Now I'm going to show you the second cookie I'm going to make, and it's called in Swedish Hallongrottor, and if you just correctly translate it, it's raspberry caves, and they are very delicious. So I have butter, sugar, flour, vanilla and baking powder, and it's a very easy recipe as usual. So here I take 4.5 deciliter. Oh, I have to introduce you to my new little friend, and it's very good. So I have 4.5 deciliter. So it's 2, 3, 4, and off. Then 1 deciliter sugar. So you combine these. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, so 1 tablespoon, or 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So you combine these first, and then you have cold butter, and you want 200 deciliter. Now I'm just gonna shoop. Not too fast, because then we're going to just flour everywhere. So now I take my butter, and I want 200 grams. And the best thing is if you cut it in small pieces, so it's easier to get in with the other ingredients. Small cubes is good. So put it here. So let's see if we manage it. Starting to look good. Just turn a little bit. And this one is supposed to first I have to take off these. Then I press this, so I can take it off and use it by itself as well. Sometimes it's easier when you make dough. When you whisk cream, and then it's better. But take that off. And move this here. Looks good. Now we just have to form into a dough, and with this cookie and almost every cookie, you have to put the dough in the fridge for half an hour, so it's easier to roll it. I'm going to show you. You take like this. It's like a walnut sized ball. I have the oven tray and these small cake molds. You put it here, like this. Then you take your thumb and press down so you get a little like this. And here I have raspberry jam. I made it earlier, very easy. I had frozen berries, sugar and cornstarch to make it a little bit thick, so it's not like a sauce, it's more like a jam. Then you take the jam, you put it here in the hole or in the dip. Then you put it in the oven, 200 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. I'll show you them when they are ready, and they are going to be delicious because the jam smells wonderful. See you in a bit. And now they are ready. Check this out. And I had them in for like 12 minutes. I should taste them. They are still a bit warm. Warm, but super good. And the jam, perfect. If you want to see more, like and subscribe, and I have the recipe in the description box below. Ciao!